Hi, my name is Joseph Rizzo. I am the owner of Langdon Florist of Tribeca. We just moved from Manhattan after being on Reed Street, 62 Reed Street for 35 years. I'll give you a little history about Langdon Florist. There was a gentleman called Frank Langdon who opened up Langdon Florist in 1947. And about 35 years ago, I bought the shop from my friends Howie and Billy. And it's been going ever since then. The old shop, which was 57 Reed Street, we were there for 10 years. That's the one I purchased. Then we moved, after I had it for about 10 years, we moved to the larger location, which is 62 Reed Street, which I built up an amazing business, and I was there for 25 years. So, with that said, we came over to Staten Island for quality of life because traffic and tickets and Manhattan's just a little rough right now to operate as a small business owner. Rents keep going up, and quality is going to be the same as it was there.